Howdy peeps, we got a big day today for this little weenie. Jaeger's about to head into his very first store ever. As you know, this kiddo is a bit underexposed for a 5.5-month-old. He's never seen anything outside of his immediate family, house, neighborhood. And so we're about to enter into unknown, unpredictable territory where there's going to be a lot of stimulation, things he's never seen before, and he's going to have to learn how to process his emotions around all of that newness. So what I'm doing out here is helping him calibrate his mind and regulate his mind, focus on me by practicing some engagement exercises. These immediate 180 unpredictable turns force him to focus his attention on me and his position in relation to mine. If he were to wander out, tuck behind my leg, get spooked, he would get corrected, and then I would redirect him with tone and the command heel. Heel. Sit. Heel. Sit. Heel. So I feel pretty good where this guy is right now. So I think we're gonna head into the store.